Hello everyone. So today we are going to start with reading. Not the full reading, but the type of question that is match the heading. The type of question in which many of you are not able to answer it perfectly, right? So what is the first thing we actually do in match the heading? We are not supposed to read the heading first. We are supposed to read the paragraph. For example, these are the paragraphs from A to D, A, B, C, D. And these are the list of headings which we have to match with the paragraph. So we have to read the paragraph first. Okay? Again, read the paragraph and then match the heading given in the box. But again, this is not so easy. What you have to do simultaneously, read the paragraph and underline the topic and the subtopic. Now, what is the difference between topic and subtopic? We always have to find the answer from the topic, not from the subtopic. For example, I had read the paragraph and I had marked two things. Number one is youngsters and number two is library. Okay, so that means two type of things are being answered in this paragraph. So after that, when I switch to the heading, I see that the first heading is youngsters and the second heading is library. So again, you will going to get confused that what type of heading should I choose in order to give the perfect answer, right? So what actually we have to do, we have to check the explanation as well and the topic. For example, youngsters is explained in 2 lines and that is the main topic of the paragraph. For example, they say that youngsters should go outside in order to do some outdoor activities. In 2 lines they have mentioned this, and after that in 4 lines they mentioned that they should go to the libraries, and further they are describing the library in 4 to 5 lines. So here my main topic is youngsters, the topic line, right? They are taking youngsters as the topic and the subtopic is library. Same goes if they are talking about a building, like there is a building, a huge building, and in the building we have 2 rooms and so on. So in this, the topic is building. So this is how you have to find your answer. Another point is that you have to check the synonyms as well. Sometimes there are a lot of synonyms which is used and we are not able to find the answer. So is it understood till now?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's take the example in this reading. So the paragraph say, the scientific conventions for naming living organisms were established by the 18th century physician and zoologist who developed binomial, a 2-word system for naming every species of animal and plant. The first word identify the genus and the second word is specific name. So this is the paragraph and the options are example of the system, reaction of the work, the origin of the system, and which animals they are related to. So according to you, what will be the answer? It will be the origin or the example or the option related to animal? So definitely yes, the answer is the origin of the system, because they actually told you the establishment. So we have to check the word establishment and we have to join it with the help with this word origin. Another point here in the paragraph, if you will see that there are 2 type of words which are used. Assumption has been given in the heading and in the paragraph they used adopt. So although they are the second synonym when we are using it in writing, but this is the first example used in reading. So while doing list of headings, you have to follow this criteria. Do not read the heading and then find the answer. I hope this is clear to you and we will discuss the whole paragraph in the next class.